So what do you need to know about taxes? Well, I get this question a lot, and so many people come to me asking for tax advice and tax information. The first thing that I have to say, and you may have heard this before, is that I am not a professional or qualified accountant, and I'm not actually able to give advice about taxes. However, I am able to give my opinion on what you should do and the best way to proceed to deal with your taxes. So there's two major tips that I want to provide you in getting your taxes sorted as quickly and as easily as possible. So tip number one is you could either get a qualified accountant or a CPA to get your taxes sorted. If you are going down that route, make sure you find somebody who understands e-commerce, somebody who understands online selling and has done tax returns for an online seller in the past. So they have a good understanding. Now, if you really want to make it super easy for yourself and you want to automate the whole process, eliminating actually getting in touch with a CPA or accountant, you can use a website called TaxJar. Now, TaxJar would automate all of your taxes for you. They also have a ton of information on there on how the tax system works. It's really complicated anyway, but they do a really good job at helping you understand exactly how the tax system works. TaxJar would automate everything for you. I'll put a link in the note or description section. Now, the second thing you can do to make it much easier for yourself when it comes to arranging and sorting out your taxes is to keep good records. Keep really good records of all of your sales, your profits, etc., what you're buying, etc. Now, I'm going to provide a spreadsheet that I use personally, but there is another website that you could use. It's called Inventory Lab. Now, I'll put a link in the description or note section as well. So check that out. Inventory Lab will automate all of this for you so you don't have to lift a finger. It's a great website. It's something that I am definitely going to use because I am growing at a phenomenal rate. So check out Inventory Lab.